The dish I'm going to show you today is one of our favorites, beef rice noodle stir fry. We're using white rice noodles and with the beef and onions and crunchy bean sprouts. A little bit of smoky flavor from the stir frying. It's just absolutely delicious. First, we take the noodles apart. Add a little sauce to marinate. I'm going to add just a little oil so they won't stick together, become big lump. Then we're going to add a little bit of oil, about 1 tablespoon. So we'll swirl to prevent meat stick. We want to pan-sear a little bit, so give that smoky flavor. You don't need to stir right away. Just let it cook for a little bit. Then we're gonna stir after we get it brown a little bit, and cook it until it's done. This beef is a little fatty, so you can see there's a little bit grease, extra grease. Then we're gonna stir onions. The onions give a really nice flavor to the dish. Then add noodles. If your noodles stick to the pan, you can loosen it up by adding a little bit more oil or a little bit of water. So here I'm adding some sauce. Again, still stir-fry sauce. That's all we need. Add back beef and more green onions and bean sprouts. I like to add bean sprouts towards the end, so the bean sprouts are still very crunchy. A little bit more sauce. You add as much as you like. So now it's done. Very simple and easy.
Find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.